How to get Binance Wallet Address. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Binance and sign in with your Face ID or passcode. Then click on Wallets on the bottom right of your screen and then click on the deposit option. Now this is where you can either search for it or you can scroll all the way down until you see your specific coin. Otherwise, you can simply click on the search icon and search for your specific coin. Let's say I want to go with the USDT, so I will simply search for it and go for it. Now by default, this is going to give you an option of choose network, which you can simply select on this particular screen. Now most people will go for the ERC20 for the USDT, so I will simply click there and then copy your deposit address. Now you can also click on more details to see the estimate time, in how much time the coin will going to arrive into my wallet. So you can also click on save and share address on the bottom of your screen to social media platforms or to your person that you want to get the crypto from. So that's the way of how you can get Binance wallet address.